Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, tap on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View from the list. Lastly, tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, just drag one of your apps all the way to the left or to the right. Then tap on the Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!